Yeah, and there are a lot of factors in his favor. He's got ties to the community. Defense attorney made that clear. Folks in the courtroom supporting him. Even his dad was around. Part of the problem, though, he doesn't have a lot of criminal history. I don't believe he's a risk of flight. Not a lot of money in the family. The question is whether he's a danger to the public. And there's this one point that was brought up by the prosecutors. Now, the defense attorney said if he got out, he'd likely stay with his mom. And one of the things pointed to by the prosecutors that I thought was a really good point in terms of his dangers to the community is mom said she didn't know that he had the gun. So if he goes back to his mother and she doesn't have that kind of control over him to know when he has a gun, a large caliber gun in the house, how do we know that he's not going to be a danger, Mike? That's part of the problem.
That's an excellent point. The defense attorney knew that that would be a problem, so that's why in her illustration she said, we don't know where the gun came from. Also, the Commonwealth doesn't know where the gun came from. So she was telling the judge, essentially, she's giving him like an arrow in his quiver if he wants to let him out, to say, maybe my client never even brought in the gun. That's what she was intimating. And you know what? Now that you bring it up, Michael, I'm glad you brought it up. There might be a redone hearing by the judge where the judge might want to ask for some more evidence as, do we know where this gun came from? Because the defense attorney said even the Commonwealth doesn't know where the gun came from. So hypothetically speaking, let's say he did not bring the gun to the house, but he knew the gun was there. Let's say his brother brought the gun to the house. That would change the judge's decision. So I'm glad you brought that up. Hadn't thought about it till you just brought it up. So that is the biggest point, because if he did bring the gun to the house, he's not getting bail. I don't care. Even if he wins the lottery tomorrow, he's in jail until the trial is over if he brought the gun.